Hi Huddlers, today I'm going to show you how to record your meeting or your community call or your community event. Whatever it is that you're having, Huddle01 allows you to record said opportunity and upload it to IPFS. So let me show you how you would do that. You would simply head over here where it says record, you would click the button and you would see it loading. You just give it a few seconds and then you'll get a notification that your meeting is now being recorded. And so it's very simple. I'll let it run for a few seconds just so you can get a feel for how it is. So let's say now you want to stop your recording. You would click the stop button. It will ask you if you would like to upload to IPFS. We're going to say yes, let's upload it. And then it'll ask, how would you like to receive your recording? So let's click download. And once you click download, it's going to open up a new screen and show you your recording. And boom, there you have it. It's just me, so not much to see on the screen. But if this was an actual event, of course, you would see your screen, your community, whatever it is that you have going on.